Hi, third graders. We are doing math today. You'll need your math journal. And our learning target is I can divide by sharing equally. Okay, so let's look at our first problem. I have 12 pieces of candy. I need to share them with 3 people. How many pieces does each person get? Okay, now remember, one strategy would be to draw a picture. Here are my 3 people. Now, I could give each person 1 and tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how many did each person get? 4. Remember that another strategy might look like this. 12 divided by 3. Count by threes until you get to 12. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12. I counted by threes 6 times. Both of these are strategies. We both get the same answer. All right, so we have 8 children in 3rd grade class. Each read 100 books. How many books did the children read altogether? Would this be an example of dividing? 8 children in 3rd grade class each read 100 books. We're not sharing anything. Let's draw a picture. Here's our 8 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, each child read 100 books. So this child read 100. Well, then that means this child read 100, and this child read 100, and each one of these children read 100. Well, this is no longer dividing, is it, friends? This is an example of, yes, you got it. This is multiplying 8 times 100. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They all read together 800 minutes. So our answer would be 800 minutes. So we need to be able to determine some key words. Up here, remember it said they're going to share them. You might hear dividing. How many does each person get? Those tell me that I'm going to be dividing. If it says how many in all, it doesn't say we're dividing here. When I draw a picture, I can make it make sense. All right, let's go to our journal page. We are going to be using counters. If you have counters at home, you can do them. You have 16 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness, I know. I'll have to go to my next page. I think I have 16 there. There we go. There's my 16. All right, if you look at your journal, we are going to be on this journal page, and this journal page is 84. So please go to page 84. All right, and we'll do number 1. It says we're going to take 16 pieces here, and we're going to divide them by 2 people. We're going to see how many each person gets. We're really dividing money. So you get 1, you get 1. Here's my 2 people. You get 1, you get 1, you get 1, you get 1. Uh-oh, that one has 4. I need to make it equal. There's 4, 8. You get 1, you get 1, you get 1, you get 1. Look at those ones are trying to hide on me. All right, let's see how many each group got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's make sure this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much did each person get? They each got 8 cents. Did we have any left over up here? No, we had 0 left over. Now we could have counted by 2s until we got to 16, and when we do that, we would have gotten 8. All right, now we're going to use our 16 still, but instead of sharing with 2 people, we're going to share with 3 people. Now I want you to think about this because 16 is an even number, 3 is an odd number. I bet we are not going to be able to do this equally. Let's see. We have 3 people. See, our 3 people are yellow right here. So let's start dividing or sharing that is being tricky, isn't it? We are sharing our 16. When they're on that mat, they don't want to share them. I might just have to delete. There. Now they don't have a choice. They're going to be shared. All right, everybody has 3 so far. Uh-oh. Now we need to, this one needs 4 here. Now they all have 4. We can give them all 1 more. But look at this. What happens is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we still have 1 left over. So I want to show you the way this looks with dividing. 1 left over. We're going to count by 3s until we get to 16. Watch the way this would look. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. 15. If I go again, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now I went over. So I could only go to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I only made it to 15. How many more to get to the 16 that we were sharing? 1 more. Do you see how that works? So instead of dividing all of these out, we could do 16 divided by 4. All we have to do here is count by 4 until we get to 16. Let's try it. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. When I count by 4s, I actually got to 16. So that means there's 0 left over. How many times did I count by 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see how to do this without having to use counters? Let's go back. We already have these ones, so let's try these. 25. How many people get 5 cents? We're trying to figure out 25 divided by 5. Okay, let's do it. Let's count by 5s. Ready? 5. I might need this one to be able to go smaller. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many times did I count by 5 to get to 25? Let's count them. I'm going to take this one off. Oh, all right. Let's count them. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So did we have any left over? No, we got to 25. There was none left over. All right, now we're taking 25 still. And this time we're doing 25 divided by 3. So think about this. What number are we going to count by? We're going to count by 3s. All right, let's do that. Okay, we get 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, if I go again, I'm going to go over 25. I can't do that. So I had to end at 25. Count how many groups I could make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. But then how many do I have left over? I got to 24. I needed to make it to 25. So from 24 to 25, that would be 1. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing, except here we're still sharing 25 cents. Now we're dividing it by 6. So here we counted by 3s to get to 25. Here we're going to count by 6s to get to 25. Let's look the way that looks. All right, here we go. I'm going to make it a little smaller so that you can see. We get 6 plus 6 is 12. That's a little hard to see. There we go. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I almost counted wrong. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh my goodness, if I go again, I'm going to go over 25. So what did I do? I was able to go 4 times. I got to 24. I didn't go over 25, so that means I have 1 left. Third graders, do you see how to do this? Now we're doing 30 divided by 10. How many times do you have to count by 10 to get to 30? Let's do it. Ready? I'm just going to tally here. 10, 20, 30. 3 times. I got to 30, so that means I have 0 left over. Try this one. How many times do you have to count by 5s to get to 30? Pause the video. See if you can get it. I'm going to tally instead of write by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got to 30, so there's 0 left over. This time I need to count by 6s, which is harder for me. Here I could tally because I could count by 10s, I could count by 5s, but counting by 6s isn't as easy for me. So I need to get to 30, so I'm going to go 6. I don't care how you add. Are you counting on your fingers? I don't care. Are you counting on? I don't care. However you're going to get the answer, you have to work hard in math. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Can I go again? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And there I go. I get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got exactly to 30, which means I have 0 left over. Third graders, challenge yourself. Try number 10, 11, and 12 on your own and see if you can get the answer. Really, we're doing 21 divided by 7. So here, you're going to count by 7s until you get to 21. Okay, here, you're going to count by 6s until you get to close to 32 or exactly to 32. Here, you're going to count by 6s until you get to 24. Please pause the video here and try these. Grow your brain. All right, here I go. Hopefully you got the answers, and now you're correcting. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus another 7 gets me to 21. That means I had 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3 weeks. No days left over. Now I'm counting here. I'm doing 32 divided by 6. This time I need to count by 6s. I'm going to cheat because look it up here. I already counted by 6s. Here it is. Look at this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could I count by another 6? No, because that would get me to 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I count by 6s 5 times, I get to 30. I need to get to 32. So how many are left over? From 30 to 32, there's 2 left over. This time I need to count by 6 again, which is already up here. I need to get to 24. So how many times do you have to count by 6 to get to 24? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am all about working harder, not working harder, working smarter. Third graders, this is what dividing looks like. Yes, it is a lot of work, but you know what? You are going to grow your brain and you are going to get smarter. And I want to show you that dividing and multiplying are also very, very similar. Because if we think and we have 25 divided by 5, if I know the answer, how many times do I have to count by 5s to get to 25? Well, let's do it. We get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, look at how it's related here. If I do 5 times 5, I should get 25 because these are all in the same fact family. See how this is all going to come around and come together. Grow your brain, work on your math facts, and never stop learning.